Power outages strike when you need energy most. What if you could stay unstoppable? In this video, I reveal the top 6 best solar generators with panels that keep your home alive. Welcome to my channel! Stick around, feel the difference, and grab your perfect pick through links in the description. At number 6 is EBL 200 Watt Portable. Ever wondered why most people still struggle during blackouts, even after buying backup power? Here's the truth. Without an efficient panel, your system is incomplete. And that's where the EBL 200 Watt Portable steps in. First impressions? It feels reliable, solid, and built for real-world survival situations, not just specs on paper. With up to 23.5% cell efficiency, it clearly outperforms typical options, meaning faster charging and less waiting, something you'll appreciate in emergencies. But is it enough? The upgraded PET lamination and tough Oxford cloth give serious durability and weather resistance, and honestly, compared with others, it feels more dependable outdoors. Compatibility is a big win too, connecting easily with most generators in this category, making your setup stress-free. Now here's the catch. It's slightly heavier, so portability takes a small hit, but the performance makes up for it. From our experience, we highlight only gear that proves itself in real-life conditions, and this one delivers peace of mind. So, who should buy it? Anyone serious about reliable solar backup. Casual users might find it overkill, but if you want confidence during outages, this is a smart, future-ready choice. On number 5 is MHPOWOS 200 watts. What if your solar panel could secretly generate power from both sides? Sounds unreal, right? That's exactly where the MHPOWOS 200 watts changes the game. First, the bifacial design boosts output by up to 20%, giving you faster charging when it matters most. But is that advantage noticeable daily? In real use, yes, it delivers consistent energy, especially in open environments. Now let's talk efficiency. 23.5% conversion means you waste less sunlight, something many people struggle with before choosing the right setup. And this solves it smoothly. Build quality feels tough, with IP68 protection adding real peace of mind outdoors. But wait, there's more. Setup takes seconds, and compared with others, it feels more user-friendly on the go. The downside? It cannot store power, so you must pair it smartly. From our testing approach, we focus on gear that proves itself beyond specs, and this one stands strong. If you want smarter energy and reliability, go for it. But if you need storage built in, look elsewhere. At number 4 is EcoVolt Oscal 1800 watts. What if one power station could run almost your entire home during an outage? Would you trust it? The EcoVolt Oscal 1800 watts steps in with serious confidence. First, fast charging is a lifesaver. 0 to 80% in just 1 hour, meaning less waiting, more control. But how does it feel daily? Smooth, reliable, and stress-free. Now the core, 1024 watt-hour capacity with lithium iron phosphate battery gives long life and safety, solving the biggest fear people have before buying backup systems: battery failure. It feels lighter and easier to carry compared with others, making it practical for both home and outdoor use. But wait, 11 output ports power almost everything, giving real peace of mind. The downside? Premium pricing may hold some back, but the value justifies it. From our real-world testing mindset, this unit proves dependable. If you want long-term security and smart energy control, go for it. Casual users might not need this level of power. On number 3 is EcoGreat OSCAL PowerMax. What if one solar setup could replace your entire backup system overnight? Sounds bold, right? The EcoGreat OSCAL PowerMax delivers exactly that kind of confidence. First, the massive 3,600 watt-hour capacity paired with 6,000 watt output handles almost everything at home. But does it feel reliable in real life? Absolutely. It removes the fear of sudden outages instantly. Now, charging speed, going from 0 to full in under 2 hours, feels like a game changer, especially when paired with panels. But here's the real hook. The lithium iron phosphate battery ensures long-term safety and durability, solving the biggest concern buyers face before investing. Compared with others, it feels more complete and future-ready. Yes, it's heavy and premium priced, but you're paying for total peace of mind. From our hands-on mindset, we trust only what performs under pressure, and this one delivers. If you want serious backup power, go for it. Casual users may not need this level. At number 2 is BALDR Solar Panels 200 watts. What if your solar panel could power your essentials even without a generator? Would you trust it? The BALDR 200 watts surprises right away. First, the built-in controller with direct USB charging solves a real problem. People struggle when they need quick power without setting up a full system, and this handles it smoothly. Now, performance, up to 23.5% efficiency, means faster, more reliable charging in real conditions. But does it feel practical outdoors? Absolutely. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, and compared with others, it feels more travel-friendly and convenient. But here's the twist. The junction box is not fully waterproof, so you need a little care. Still, safety protections add peace of mind. From our real use perspective, we focus on gear that proves itself beyond specs, and this delivers. If you want flexible, portable solar power, go for it. But heavy-duty users might want something more rugged. Now, moving to the last one is EcoGreat Oscal 1,800 watts. What if one compact power station could remove your blackout anxiety completely? Would you rely on it? The EcoGreat Oscal 1,800 watts feels like that solution right away. First, fast charging. 0 to 80% in just 1 hour. Solves the biggest frustration people face, long waiting times. But does it hold up daily? Yes, smooth and dependable. Now capacity. 1,024 watt-hours with strong output powers almost everything you actually need, giving real relief during outages. But here's what stands out. The lithium iron phosphate battery adds long life and safety, something many buyers worry about before investing. Compared with others, it feels lighter and easier to manage, a practical advantage. Downsides? It is not the cheapest option, but the reliability justifies it. From our hands-on approach, we trust products that perform under pressure, and this delivers. If you want smart, reliable backup, go for it. Light users may not need this much power. The clear winner is EcoGreat OSCAL PowerMax. If you want true peace of mind during blackouts, this is the one to buy. The massive 3,600 watt-hour capacity with 6,000 watt output means it can handle almost your entire home without breaking a sweat. What really sets it apart is the ultra-fast charging and long-lasting LiFePO4 battery. This isn't just backup power, it's a complete energy solution. Yes, it's premium and heavy, but you're investing in reliability, safety, and total confidence when it matters most. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best solar generator with panels. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.